All right, so with that, let's look at some of the estimated times that if we were to just stick with one of these times, whether that be standard or if we have daylight saving time all year round here in Minnesota. Let's look at some of the sunset and sunrises, what happens if we choose one path or the other. So as we look at if we just stayed on standard time, the main thing that changes is the summer. The winter stays the same because we move back to winter time coming up this upcoming weekend. Summer, though, we're looking at potentially sunrises at about 4:20 to 4:30. Those sunsets happening before 8 o'clock in the evening. We would actually not have a sunset after 8 p.m. Whereas if we stick to daylight saving time only, the big change would be in the winter. We'd have later sunrise and later sunsets throughout the winter. We're still looking at sunsets if we were to continue to have daylight saving time at about 5:30, and those sunrise rises by about to 8:30 to 8:40. The big difference, notice what we have right now in the summers with daylight saving time. We actually have sunsets after 8 p.m. starting April 20th and lasting until August 23rd. That's 125 days with sunsets after 8 o'clock, whereas if we had standard time, we would have 0. Now, we do have a poll on our Facebook page. You can go to Facebook and just type in KTTC Weather Authority. You can vote on that to what time you think is best for you. As we look outside, current conditions right now 51 degrees in Rochester, winds out of the south at about 29 miles per hour. We still have some high level clouds. The main thing is the winds, and we'll continue to deal with some strong winds tonight. Temperatures have warmed into the mid 50s for highs today. We still sit lower 50s and upper 40s. Those wind speeds strong out of the south, and we'll continue to deal with some wind gusts anywhere from 25 to upwards of 40 miles per hour right now at RST. So this winds the rest of the night. Tonight we'll see some sustained winds at about 15 to 20 miles per hour, some gusts even by 10, 11 o'clock, still approaching 30 to 35 miles per hour. Winds this upcoming weekend, well, they're still a little strong. We'll see winds about sustained anywhere from 10 to 15 miles per hour. Some gusts could reach near 20 at times on Sunday. Calmer conditions then on the way as we move towards the upcoming next week. So the temperatures and wind speeds will be on the decline as we move towards late next week. Future track radar, we continue to deal with some partly cloudy skies outside, mainly quiet conditions on the way other than the strong winds tonight. Winds stay breezy out of the south, anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour tonight. Temperatures tomorrow into the mid 60s. Fairly comfortable on the way for Saturday. Temperatures tonight, mainly clear skies at times. Temperatures dropping down lower 40s and upper 30s. Weekend, we have a bright and mild weekend in store for us. Get outside and enjoy it because things will be changing quickly. So 63 both Saturday and Sunday. Winds still strong out of the west-southwest, but that helps warm our temperatures through the daytime hours coming up both Saturday and Sunday. 7-day forecast, I said the change comes quick, so we're at 59 on Monday, and we round out the work week on Friday with high temperatures in just the upper 30s. That'll do it for your Weather Authority forecast. Mark, over to you.